Morning, I'm making breakfast. I spread the jam. I got strawberry here on the croissants. And then, yeah, well, it's not a quick thing. You gotta spread it. Just be patient. Well, yummy, yummy. I like strawberry. So I got some cinnamon sugar up in here. These are the refrigerator croissants. So we're gonna bake those at like 350 for, I'm gonna say, 12 to 15 minutes in the toaster oven. So anyways, I'm gonna keep, that does smell good. Keep spreading that jam. Then moving on to the next one. Spread that out. Just take a little spoonful. Boy, I do love strawberry jam. Raspberry is also my favorite too. How about you? What you like? I haven't tried. There's so many different combinations of things you can do with these refrigerator croissants. I've tried bacon bits and cheese, but I thought, well, I'm going to try something a little different today. This is really good.
But if you can give yourself extra time, but because you are going to run into these backups here, they are getting worse during the morning.
So what I do is I roll it out because it comes in a roll.
Back into the studio to Melody Mendez with a closer look at your traffic. Yeah, all right, Alicia, thanks so much for giving us.
Doesn't take long to prepare this.
Here we go. Take a look at the speed on the Sunroad detours right now. Crossing the Tobin Bridge.
This might be nice on a Sunday morning.
You're down to 11.
Well, I'm the only one who's eating it, so I can lick my fingers.
If you're crossing in from the Chelsea curves, if you're driving through the Chelsea curves, you're only going 7, and it's even slower once you get to.
Well, you get the idea, folks.